Okay, what is lookalike ad? That we know the concept of pixel. That pixel is a code which is there on your website, and with pixel, Facebook optimizes your data, right? That let's say if you started your ad today only, and first 10 you got 10 visitors on your website, just 10. Then out of those 10, one person filled in the form. Then Facebook will know, okay, this is the person who filled in the form. Another Facebook will send another 10 people. Again, Facebook will see, okay, now three people filled in the form. So Facebook will see what is the common similarity between these three people. So depending upon those similarity, Facebook will send more and more such type of audience. So that is the concept of pixel. Now, similarly, there's something called lookalike audience, that you will go to Facebook and tell Facebook, look, I have provided you this data. These are my 1,000 customers. Maybe using Pixel or whatever, you will tell to Facebook that these are my 1,000 customers or leads, data of these 1,000 customers. What you can do, Facebook, do one favor to me. Analyze the data of these 1,000 customers. Find the similarity. What they have in common. Do they like basketball? Or maybe they are frequent travelers? They might have something, few traits in common, right? Because initially we discussed, right? Whenever you are creating your customer avatar, there is few things in common, that their age is same, their gender is same, or maybe their timing to wake up in the morning is same. Facebook will know those data as well, right? When as soon as Facebook tracks everything mostly, right? So they can know, okay, suppose your habit is as soon as you wake up in the morning, you start reading Facebook or browsing Facebook. So basically, uh, you are telling Facebook that find some similarity within these 100 or 1,000 customers and give me more such customers. So what Facebook will do? Facebook will analyze those 1,000 data which you provided to Facebook. Facebook will give you more huge number of customers whom you can show your ads to. Facebook similar audience, like people who have similar characteristic, so that when you're running ads to them, you will have more chances of conversion. Again, got an idea like what lookalike audience is?